Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HTC Desire 6 to 8 and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and now we have to scroll down until we will find the power section. Let's tap on it. As you can see here, we've got some options which are connected to the battery, so let's scroll down to find show battery level. This option is right now obviously turned off because we've got only the battery icon on the status bar, so simply tap on it to make it ticked. And actually immediately next to the battery icon we've got the exact percentage of the usage of the battery. Of course, if you want to, you can turn it off the same way, but let me leave it like this. So actually this is it. This is how to show battery percentage in the status bar in your HTC Desire 6 to 8. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.